Here's a real story. A consumer electronics company decided to bring AI into supplier quality in 3 stages over a year. Stage 1. They built a performance scorecard from data they already had in their ERP and QMS. No new data collection, just connecting what existed. That alone surfaced 2 suppliers with hidden declining trends. Stage 2. They layered on external risk monitoring, financial data and news feeds, and caught a supplier heading toward a cash crisis because of a patent lawsuit. Stage 3. Computer vision for inspecting LCD panels, trained on 12,000 photos. It cut inspection labor by 30% and caught a backlight defect humans were missing. Each stage proved its value before the next one got funded. No grand leap, just a steady, evidence-based climb. That's how you make AI stick in supplier quality, one win at a time.